So this is where I put my finished TR3b model. Just made some room on top of my dresser table here. I haven't got much room. So yeah, as you can see, it's still floating. It's never missed a beat. And you can bounce it around. You can see it's bouncing up and down on the magnetic waves. Helicopter can go on top if you can balance it. There you go. Helicopter land on top. They talk about using it like a space platform. I suppose it's possible. And of course it disconnects. And although you'd normally 3D print it and use transfers rather than try and paint it from a molded piece of foam, you can see how it tracks magnets unless you're in the right field, right? And it's got windows at the front, other side, and all it does is you get it perfectly lined up, which is a bit hard to do one-handed. Well, I'm using the right hand for the camera. Left hand is not the best, but there we go. Just bounces around, just pushes against the stick. Just proves it's not attached or anything. And it can take a fair bit of weight on top too. Getting the balances right, because it will rotate if you got the centre of gravity right. It's not so much the weight, as you can see. It's just the wheels will spin. And you can see I knocked it off balance there. And it's a bit hard to do with that hand. Of course, as soon as I try and switch hands, you just need to touch the screen and it stops. I got this a holder on the phone. Should have done it when JD was here. Showing him playing around with it. You can see it's fragile, but it's not very fragile. The paint and acrylic sort of bound it all together like glue. So it's a bit hard to be a film director and a model a model experimenter. I need probably a tank, something with less wheels. Oh, I touched the screen, did I? What's happened now? It's gone all black. Dear, oh dear. That's right, I got the turn off the screen shake. I forgot to disable it. I think. Yeah, I did. Oh. Okay. Let's see if we can do it with the tank. It's pretty heavy. No. Took it out of balance. I think you need two hands to do that. Anyway, just to prove, the TR3b crash landed. It's amazing how well this new phone works in such low light. I haven't got any lights on here apart from the LED one. And that's a coloured one, and look how much light we're getting from it. It's just amazing. So I need to get against the post. And there's screw head on it that I try and get the little groove in. Just keeps it a bit more steady, you know, when you got the fan going. Ceiling fan or earthquakes that we get here occasionally. It just bounces around. Anyway, someday I might make more improvements to it, put some lights on it. If I can be bothered. But yeah, who's to say that the TR3bs have smooth skins, right? Is this even recording? Where's the seconds on it gone? Oh, right down there. It's in red, so it makes it really hard to see. So I bought this in Australia when I lived over there, but we didn't have alien ones. Got monkeys. See no evil, hear no evil, talk no evil. Well, that's not ufology, is it? It's full of evil. Haters and fraudsters. But anyway, anyone can play with it when they come round. I'll leave it there and we'll fly over. Zoom. You can see the post here is just a screw, and the needle just fits in it. Painted with some grey just to hide it a bit. How do we stop it?